Hello my dear, very good morning. You're most welcome in class 11 accountancy. I R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Just going to explain final account with adjustment. Now just you can see the format of trading account, profit and loss account. Question number 3, you have sent me the problem. Question number 3 in your textbook, that is given through the practical question. I would like to explain the trading account, profit and loss account in this video, and in next video I will explain the balance sheet of this question. Now dear children, just you have to, whatever the trial balance given in the question, just you have to short list. You have to short list whatever the items recorded in trading account and whatever the items recorded in profit and loss account, and the additional information given below the trial balance are adjusted in trading account, profit and loss account as well as balance sheet also. So go through the questions. I would like to tell you, here the questions given. Capital, this one is the trial balance, question number 3. Capital given, and in trading account you know it very well. Just the opening stock, purchase and purchase return, and the direct expenses are recorded in debit column of the trading account, and then the sales return and closing stock, whether given in additional information recorded in trading account, and with the help of trading account we can ascertain the gross loss of the enterprise or the gross profit of the enterprise. So we have to consider stock that is given A1/4/2016, capital, drawing, debtors, bank loan, interest on loan, cash, provision for bad debts, stock, motor vehicle, bank, land and building, bad debts, purchase and sales, returns, carriage outward, carriage inward, salaries, rent and insurance, advertising, discount, journal expenses, bills receivable and bills payable, rent receipt, such types of the items given. And in additional information, private purchase amounting to rupees 4,000 have been debited to purchase account. Just we have to adjust this purchase also. So now we start first to opening stock, to opening stock. Now that is given, opening stock 6,800. 6,800. Then after purchase given, to purchase just the inside of the column we have to write this one, because of that the purchase return will be deducted. Purchase given, purchase and sales also given, purchase 66,000. So inside 66,000, and then less return, that is purchase return and sales return also given, returns given. So you can find in credit column of trial balance returns given 1500 minus 1500. You can find inside just 0, 0, 5, 4, 5, 5 minus 1, 4 and 64,500. Then in additional information that is given here, in additional information, private purchases amounting to rupees 4,000 have been debited to purchase account. So it will be also deducted from the purchase, because this one is the private purchase, not purchase for the enterprise. So less private purchase, less private purchase, that is given 4,000 minus 4,000, and we can find the amount 60,500. 60,500 will be the actual purchase of the enterprise. Then after the direct expenses, we have to sort this one. Carriage inward 3,000 to carriage inward to carriage inward, that is given carriage inward given 3,000. And here in credit column buy sales, that is buy sales purchase and sales 1,10,000. 1,10,000 less return. What is the sales return? In debit column that is given less return, that is 8,000 minus 8,000, and the actual sale will be 1,02,000. 1,02,000 actual sale. In your textbook, just in trial balance you can see everything. And then after, in additional information, by closing stock. Closing stock. In additional information that is given, closing stock just 7,000. 7,000, and you can add this one. Just you can find the gross profit of the organization. You can see over here. Just here we have to total this one. Now see the column. 1,09,000. Credit column exceeds the debit column. Just 1,09,000, and just the total of the debit column deducted from the credit, total of the credit column to gross profit. I need to say GP. To gross profit will be just 38,700. 38,700. That is in profit and loss account. Whatever the gross loss and gross profit transferred to the profit and loss account by gross profit. By gross profit transferred to profit and loss account, 38,700. In credit column, whatever the income given, that will be recorded in profit and loss account. Now incomes discount, by discount, that is given 500, and in credit column rent received, by rent received. Just see the trial balance, whatever the income given in credit column recorded in profit and loss account, that is given 300. And then after, just the indirect expenses incurred in the accounting period. Now come to first short list all the items and whatever the additional informations given also. Now dear children, you can see just the capital drawing bank book, interest on loan to whatever the loan taken by the firm, just interest charge, interest on loan, that is given 300. Next one, interest on loan. After that, just provision for bad debts, that is given in credit column. It will be adjusted in provision created on debtors. Motor vehicle, bank, land and building, bad debt, 2 bad debts. Now come to the point, 2 bad debts. Bad debts, that is given 500 inside of the profit and loss account. This way we have to adjust whatever the additional information given regarding adjustment. Outside of the trial balance, provision for doubtful debt is to be maintained at 5% on debtor. Just the debtors given 20,000. 20,000 into 5 upon 100 into is equal to 1,000. So that is the new reserve for the organization. So add new reserve plus 1,000 on debtors. Just the bad debts will be 1,500. Then after that is given in credit column 700 provision for bad debts. Means this one is the creation on debtors, that is given inside of the trial balance in credit column, that is old reserve. So less old reserve minus 700 is equal to 800. That will, with the profit will be less from 800. By 800 it will be lessened. And next, purchase and sales return carries outward to carries outward. Carries outward given 2,500. And then after salaries, 2 salaries. Additional information given, outstanding 200, that is unpaid, that is dues amount, so it will be added. Salaries given 9,000. Add outstanding, outstanding 200 plus 200. This way 9,200 also. Now dear children, next one salaries, after salary, rent and insurance. To insurance, rent and insurance, that is given additional information given 200 prepaid, means that is this one is the expenses for the next year, so it will be deducted from insurance whatever the amount in trial balance insurance given 3,000, so we can write inside 3,000 and less prepaid insurance minus 200, that will be the 2,800 you can see over here. And then after advertising, to advertising that is given indirect expenses 3,500. Then after discount given in credit column, recorded in credit column, general expenses, to general expenses that is given 3,400 and go through the additional information. The trial balance indirect expenses, depreciate land and building, two whole 1/2% and motor vehicle at 20%. Land and building that is given 12,000 into 5/2 into 1/100. That will be the amount of 300. So we can write over to depreciation, land and building 300, motor vehicle vehicles just the 20%. Motor vehicle given 10,000, so that will be the 20% of 10,000 will be 2,300 and no additional information given. So just we have to total this one. Total of credit column 500, 39,500. Just we can write over here the 39,500 also, because just we have to ascertain the net profit of the organization. To net profit, just the total of debit column deducted from the total of the credit column. Whether the credit column exceeds the debit column of the profit and loss account, that will be the net profit. Whether the debit column expenses exceeds the income, that will be the loss of the organization. So net profit will be the total minus 14,700. 700. Now dear children, you can see over here just the total of the credit column exceeds the by 14,700. That will be the net profit of the organization. You can see over here how the trading account is prepared. Go through the additional information given. Go through the trading account. Just in opening stock, purchase and purchase return, that is given. So recorded opening stock 6,800 purchase. In purchase, the additional information given. The private 4,000, the private purchase included in purchase. So it will be deducted from purchase 4,000. General. Assume that you are the accountant of the organization or you are the owner of the organization and you are doing just the transactions and such types of, because of that that is the total purchase in trial balance given 6,000 included 4,000 as private purchase, so it will be deducted, and whatever the amount returned to the supplier, that will be deducted 1,560. This one is the additional information. That is the adjustment, whatever the information taken into consideration in the business enterprises. And then direct expenses, only one direct expenses given in the trial balance, carries inward. Carries inward, because of that this expenses involved in purchasing of the goods. That's why this one is the direct expenses and recorded in the debit column of the trading account. And now see here, in credit column buy sales, that is given. So less return, whatever the goods returned from the customers, it will be also deducted from the sales. The actual sale 1,02,000. And whatever the goods remain unsold at the end of the period, accounting period, just 7,000. So the total 1,09,000 and deducted from the total of the debit column. So the gross profit of the organization will be the 38,700. And this gross profit transferred to the profit and loss account in credit column. You can see 38,700. Just you can see, and whatever the incomes received by the enterprise, just discount receipt 500 and rent receipt somehow 300. The total credit of the 39,500. Now you can see here, interest on loan, whatever the loan taken by the organization, just the interest 300 per annum 300, that is given inside of the trial balance. Bad debts, whatever the amount irrecoverable, that is 500 to whom the goods are sold on credit. Add a new reserve, whatever the additional information given, my dear, just deserve go through the information, additional information given. Just we have to create 5% on debtors. The total debtors amount that is given 20,000, and the 5% of 20,000 will be the 1,000 will also in doubtful debts, can be irrecoverable in future. That's the enterprise is allowed to deserve such types of the liability. So the creation 1,000, that will be bad debts given inside of the trial balance, and the new reserve 1,000, 1,500 less old reserve in previous year, whatever the creation made on debtor 700 in credit column of the trial balance given. So it will be deducted from the 1,500 the actual provision for doubtful debt, that is lesser 800. to carriage outward indirect expenses given, and then after the salary and salary is given and additional information 200 is due, outstanding salary, so total 9200. Insurance premium, that is 3000 given and 200 for the next year, so it will be deducted from 200, just the 2800 given. Advertising expenses, general expenses and depreciation charged on assets, that is these are given, and total the credit column exceeds the total of the debit column by 14,007. That is the profit and trading and profit and loss account. And in next video I will explain the balance sheet of these questions. Keep on watching and go through the information given. Thank you very much.